Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear chat history in Telegram personal chat or group chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Telegram application, and after that, I'm going to select one of my room chat. For instance, I'm going to clear chat history of this group chat, so I'm going to open it, and we're going to click on these three dots on the top right. And since we want to clear the chat history of this group chat, we can click on clear history. And here you'll be able to choose either you want to clear the chat history for all the members, or you can also select to clear chat history for yourself only. And I'm just going to clear this chat history for me, so I'm not gonna check it, and then we can click on delete. Okay, and now the chat history has been deleted. Okay, and if you want to clear chat history of your personal chat, you just need to do the same. I'm going to open this personal chat. Okay, we can click on the three dots and then select clear history. Alright guys, and that's all the way to clear chat history in Telegram personal chat or group chat. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.